Bismillah, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. So, hello everyone. So in this opportunity, I'm gonna deliver about my final presentations before I'm advanced to 9 grades. So this slide include all of my project when I'm 8th grade. So, but first of all, little biography about me and my skills that I get in 8th grade. So in 8th grade, I have learned a lot of things that make me grow, and yes, so new skills like maybe critical thinking, then design, multimedia, robotics, IoT. That's hard skills. But in 8th grade, I also get a lot of soft skills like some examples: public speaking, then maybe English and others. Next, this is a little bit biography about me. Then my first 8th grade project, that is multimedia. And I'm sorry, but maybe in multimedia we will take a little long time, because in multimedia I have a lot of projects, interesting projects. So the first project is illustration project using Adobe Illustrator. So, I made this project in the first semester of 8th grade, like this bottle illustration, then the modified versions of this one, and then like that. That is Cloud Island flat design. I'm using Adobe Illustrator, and there is also another projects, illustration projects, but this is just some examples of my projects. Next, after illustrations, I also learned about image manipulation using Adobe Illustrations, and it's also included in multimedia. Then image manipulation, I'm using Adobe Photoshop. The first I learned about like double exposure image, how to like edit the image like this, and then about oil painting, that I'm using cat. So I have to make the image, the cat image, become like oily, and then the other in like that is modified version of double exposures. Then still in the multimedia, so in here we have UI UX designs. So exactly UI UX design is lesson that make me grow in design. So with UI UX design, I'm learn a lot about like design logics, layouts, and others. So in UI UX design, this is the first UI that I have ever made. So the name is Hoiru, about Zikr app, and yes, this is my first UI in the 8th grade. Then after I learn and try, and then make some UI UX projects, this is my first team projects that I have to collaborate with other my friends and make this UI. So this is I made with another two of my friends, that is Kevin and Zainal Abidin. So we made some food app about foodies, Eastern food. So in here you can get like Eastern food or something you can order. Then the last UI, that is my final Ujicom that used in my exam, is course app. And if the UI and UX before just the design, in this course app that is Envy, because this is an exam, so the teacher will give us some case, and we have to solve that case with our UI. So we cannot do just design it, with our creativity. No, so we have to solve the case and design the UI. So that's it. Yes, I think this is my best UI that I have ever made. Like that. Next, After UI UX, still in the multimedia, I have 3D illustrations. So in 3D illustration, if the first project in the A grade is about illustrations, yes, like 2D illustrations using Adobe Illustrator. So in the 3D illustration, I using Spine software for designing illustration, but in the 3D perspective. So this is the example. This is this metallic bottle, the first 3D design that I have ever made. Then this is my final 3D design, that is isometric design. Then in that side there is interactive 3D design. So the 3D design can follow our, like, for example, if we move our cursor, then the 3D design will also change like that. And then in A grade 2, I learned about video editing, include in multimedia. So in video editing, my video editing skills is grow with editing. For example, this one, this is a English short movie, but because we have to edit, it grow my editing skills. And the other IT project is about mortal video, and in here also it also grow my editing skills. And you can check it on my YouTube if you want to see my video. Then still in the multimedia, so in A grade, not only A grade, I think each class have to make their own yearly book. And in A grade, I have to make some multimedia book or design book. And this is the book that I made. So this book is how to make a creative design using Adobe Photoshop and Adobe Illustrator. And it's also, I was published this book. So maybe I will give you the link later. Then, okay, so the multimedia is on. Then the robotic and IoT lessons. So in robotic and IoT, I'm usually make a prototype project, and after I make the prototype, I will make a video about that. So this is the examples. This is project that I made using microbit. So in A grade, I learn about some microcontrollers like microbit, NoteMCU, and others. And this is the project that I made using NoteMCU. Yes, so I learned about these two microcontrollers. Okay, next. Okay, next is about my English lessons. So in English lesson, usually I just make some English video. So that's the project of English lesson. And this is some little examples. So right here, there is about podcast video about my friend, about startup. And then in that side, I have a short movie, and these two video is a team project. So I have to collaborate with my other friends to make this video. Then next, this is English speaking news. So this is my daily assessment. So maybe 3 days, once in 3 days, I will make this daily assessment like breaking news. I have to bring like latest news in the world. And then also I have teacher of the day that I will teaching in my class to my friends. So that's the English projects. Then move to the next Dinia lesson. So in here, in Dinia lessons, usually for the project, I used to make a Dinia post like poster, microblog, mind maps, and maybe Islamic video and others. This is some examples. This is some of my poster. This is my poster, microblog, and also my poster. And for Dinia project, usually I will upload it on my Instagram. So if you want to see all of my Dinia projects, you can see on my Instagram. Next, another examples, microblog, mind map, and other poster. Yes. Okay. So this is the end of my presentations. So maybe that's all from me. I do apologize if there's mistakes I have made. And for the last I say, wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.